Hello Chroma Kids, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to draw Keymon Ache. Do you know who is Keymon Ache? Keymon is a funny and magical cartoon character loved by kids. He is a cute monkey with special powers that make everything every day come to life. Keymon lives with his best friend Rohan and help him with all sort of funny adventures. But sometimes Keymon's magic get a little out of control, and that's when things get really exciting. Keymon is always ready to help his friend, even if it means causing a little bit of trouble along the way. His heart in the right place, and he teaches about the friendship, power solving, and having a fun while learning new things. With Keymon Ache, every day is an adventure full of laughter and surprises. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe for the more videos.